Hey, Topping Airlines Math and History, and we're gonna be reviewing evaluating expressions. So, in this video, we're gonna be solving equations that look like this. But wait, how do we solve that in the first place? 1, since they're variables, we can't find a number, and 2, there's nothing to insert in them. Well, now there is. So what we're going to be doing is trying to evaluate an expression if the numbers that represent the variables are given to us as information. Then we can insert it into our equation and see what we get. So, if A equals 3, B equals 5, and C is 7, then what does A plus B plus C equal? So that's telling us that 3 plus 5 plus 7 is our equation if we put our numbers that we got into our equation. So 3 plus 5 is 8, plus 7 is 15. So in this case scenario, our example for our answer is 15 if these numbers represented the variables. Here's another example. So, we have another example, but it looks more advanced. But the values for A and B are going to change for this example. What if A was equal to 2 and B was equal to negative 5? What would the equation look like if we insert the information into our equation? So, we have A squared as the beginning to our equation, and A represents 2. So we're going to say 2 squared if 2 represented A, plus 2AB, that is saying 2 in parentheses. A is 2, and B is negative 5. So we're going to put negative 5 right here in the parentheses. This would represent 2AB up above. And we have to add that by B squared, which is negative 5 squared. And when we say negative 5 squared, what we mean is we're going to have negative 5 multiplied by a negative 5. And we're also going to put parentheses around the number, because what we want is actually the negatives to multiply by a negative to get to a positive. There are some cases where if the parentheses never appear around the negative 5, there will be a negative 5 multiplied by a positive 5. But we'll get to that in another video while we review the exponents. So, looks like we have got all the information we need when we try and evaluate this problem. In order to find out what our number is, what we're going to have to do is do order of operations, since we have a lot of steps to do. So basically, we're going to have to do groupings, stuff that's inside the parentheses. So 2 minus that by 5, that is going to be negative 3. So we're going to say 2 multiplied by negative 3. After that, we still have the exponents to deal with. So let's start with 2 squared. 2 multiplied by 2, or 2 squared, is going to be 4. So 4 plus 2 multiplied by negative 3 plus negative 5 squared. So what we're going to do with that is negative 5 multiplied by negative 5 is a positive 25. So basically, we have simplified the problem. And what we're going to do now is figure out what our answer is. So, we have 2 multiplied by negative 3, that is a negative 6. So now we have 4 plus negative 6 plus 25. 4 plus negative 6 is going to become negative 2. And when we add that by 25, we're going to get an answer as if A equals 2 and B equals negative 5 into this equation, we're going to say that our answer is going to be a positive 23. So yeah, we did it. We have inserted the information we have into our equation and got to an answer. This is basically just like trying to decipher a code, and is also trying to unlock your computer by typing in your password. That was a scene where Mr. Incredible tries to find out the secret. I hope this video has helped you. Thank you for watching Tao Ping Airlines Math Industry. Like and subscribe.